AI is a big topic and probably one we could do a whole workshop on, but let me talk sort of succinctly about AI and how you should be using it. I say this as someone who is the brand guardian for many of our clients and has to make sure that everything that we do and all the content that we create is a protected asset. AI is a fantastic tool. I love it. We use it for a myriad of different things, but what we don't use it for is content creation. There's a few reasons for that. Some of it is quality based. AI doesn't really create great quality content, to be honest with you. But even more important than that, legally, and courts have ruled on this legally, content created by AI is not protected content, meaning that if you have AI write you a blog post and you put that blog post out on your website, any one of your competitors can take that blog post, copy it exactly, put it on their website, switch out your company name for their company name, and there's nothing you can do about it. Do not use AI to create your own content because A, you can't protect it. Your competitors can steal it. B, doesn't do great for SEO. In fact, Google will relegate your site if it finds too much AI generated content. And third of all, it tends to not represent your brand very well because it tends to not really feel right compared to your human written content. So yes, use AI. Yes, make it part of your thought process and maybe your planning process in content, but don't use it to build your content because that is only going to come back and bite you later.